On-screen text, how to scan a QR code on Roblox, quick guide. Narrator, want to scan a Roblox QR code, but not sure where to tap? Here's the super fast guide. Narrator, first, open Roblox and log into your account. Narrator, on mobile, look at the bottom menu and tap the three dots, more dot. Narrator, on PC, click the gear or menu icon in the top right corner. Narrator, now look for an option that says something like scan QR code or shows a little square QR icon. Narrator, found it? Tap or click that QR scanner button to open your camera. Narrator, point your device's camera at the QR code so it fits inside the square on screen. Narrator, hold it steady for a moment. The app will read the code automatically, no extra tapping needed. Narrator, when it works, Roblox might open a game, an event, or a special page for you. Narrator, but be careful, only scan QR codes from Roblox, trusted creators, or adults you know. Narrator, if a QR code asks you to enter your password or personal info, stop. That's not safe. Narrator, that's it. Scan, check it's safe, then enjoy your Roblox rewards. On-screen text, scan smart. Stay safe. Have fun.